Hello, everyone, and welcome to this English learning podcast. Today, we are practicing 100 daily routine English sentences.
We will speak slowly and clearly. Sometimes we will ask you to repeat. When you hear, "Please repeat," say the sentence after us and take 3 seconds.
Let's begin with the morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Please repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
When I open my eyes, I feel a little sleepy. Please repeat. I feel a little sleepy.
I stretch my arms and legs.
I sit up on the bed and take a deep breath.
I walk slowly to the bathroom. Please repeat. I walk slowly to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth with toothpaste. Please repeat. I brush my teeth with toothpaste.
After brushing, I wash my face with cold water.
I look in the mirror and smile at myself.
I take a quick shower in the morning. Please repeat. I take a quick shower in the morning.
I dry my body with a clean towel. Please repeat. I dry my body with a clean towel.
Then I comb my hair carefully.
I put on fresh clothes for the day.
I walk to the kitchen. Please repeat. I walk to the kitchen.
I prepare some breakfast. Please repeat. I prepare some breakfast.
I eat bread and butter with jam.
I drink a cup of hot tea.
Sometimes I drink coffee in the morning. Please repeat. I drink coffee in the morning.
I also like to eat eggs for breakfast. Please repeat. I eat eggs for breakfast.
After breakfast, I clean the table.
I clean the dishes.
I put on my shoes. Please repeat. I put on my shoes.
I pack my bag with books and notebooks. Please repeat. I pack my bag with books and notebooks.
I leave the house and lock the door.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus patiently. Please repeat. I wait for the bus patiently.
When the bus comes, I get inside. Please repeat. I get inside the bus.
I sit near the window and look outside.
I listen to music on my phone.
The bus takes me to school. Please repeat. The bus takes me to school.
The bus takes me to work. Please repeat. The bus takes me to work.
I arrive and say hello to my friends.
I greet my teacher with a smile.
I sit down at my desk. Please repeat. I sit down at my desk.
I open my notebook. Please repeat. I open my notebook.
I listen carefully to the lesson.
I write notes in my notebook.
Sometimes I ask a question. Please repeat. I ask a question.
Sometimes I answer a question. Please repeat. I answer a question.
I read a book quietly.
I practice English sentences.
After 1 hour, I take a short break. Please repeat. I take a short break.
During the break, I drink water. Please repeat. I drink water.
I talk with my friends.
I laugh and share stories.
The break ends and I go back to class. Please repeat. I go back to class.
I focus on my study again. Please repeat. I focus on my study again.
At noon, I eat lunch.
I enjoy my meal slowly.
I eat rice with vegetables. Please repeat. I eat rice with vegetables.
I eat bread with cheese. Please repeat. I eat bread with cheese.
I drink fresh juice.
I eat some fruit for dessert.
After lunch, I wash my hands. Please repeat. I wash my hands.
I clean the table after eating. Please repeat. I clean the table after eating.
Then I go back to my lessons.
I listen to my teacher carefully.
I do my homework. Please repeat. I do my homework.
I complete my assignments. Please repeat. I complete my assignments.
In the afternoon, I leave school.
I leave work and walk to the bus stop.
I take the bus home. Please repeat. I take the bus home.
Sometimes I walk home slowly. Please repeat. I walk home slowly.
I arrive at home and take off my shoes.
I wash my hands again.
I change my clothes. Please repeat. I change my clothes.
I relax on the sofa. Please repeat. I relax on the sofa.
I watch television for some time.
I watch YouTube videos on my phone.
Sometimes I listen to music. Please repeat. I listen to music.
Sometimes I play a mobile game. Please repeat. I play a mobile game.
I talk with my family in the evening.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
I cook dinner. Please repeat. I cook dinner.
I set the table for everyone. Please repeat. I set the table.
At night, I eat dinner with my family.
We talk and laugh during dinner.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Please repeat. I wash the dishes.
I sweep the floor. Please repeat. I sweep the floor.
I sit down and read a book.
I write in my diary.
Sometimes I study English again. Please repeat. I study English again.
Sometimes I practice writing sentences. Please repeat. I practice writing sentences.
Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
I wash my face one more time.
I put on my pajamas. Please repeat. I put on my pajamas.
I lie down on my bed. Please repeat. I lie down on my bed.
I close my eyes and feel relaxed.
I think about my day.
I feel sleepy. Please repeat. I feel sleepy.
I go to sleep. Please repeat. I go to sleep.
Good night, everyone.
Sleep well and see you tomorrow.